In poultry farming, pests pose a constant threat to bird health and productivity. Flies, bedbugs, rodents, and ectoparasites spread diseases, compromise bird health, and disrupt nearby communities. Uncontrolled infestations result in financial losses, reduced yields, public unrest, and reputational damage. That is why Envu provides advanced pest management solutions tailored for poultry farms. Our range includes products like Temprid Responsar, Bi-Larv, Bayt, and Racumin Sure. Bi-Larv fly maggot larvicide. Temprid and Responsar Sprayable. Bayt adult fly bait. Racumin Sure rodent bait. With Envu's audits and training, safeguard your farm from pests and diseases. Protect your birds, your investment, and your peace of mind. Certified solutions for results that matter. World Health Organization Pesticide Evaluation Scheme evaluated. Product approved by Government of India, CIB and RC for public health. We partner globally to foster healthier environments in the poultry industry. With decades of experience, Envu combines science, innovation, and partnership, advancing healthy environments for everyone, everywhere. Be a force with nature. Partner with Envu to safeguard what matters most.